Okay, this video is going to run you through the basics of the settings options within FBr3. Now this is very different from previous years. It is now all web-based, so you don't actually need to be in Revit to do this, although at this stage you do for the link. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the settings up here, and I'll actually open up a browser page. And it gives us a panel of a whole lot of different things. This is certainly still under development. Most of them don't work. So the only ones that are working at the moment is the settings, which we'll look at in a second, and some of the database manager. But because this is cloud-based, I'll be working on this over the next couple of weeks, expanding this. I'll send you a notification once there's been changes, and you'll just, obviously because it's web-based, you'll get those changes. So I'm going to go to settings, and we've got company-wide settings, which at this stage is disabled. I still need to work on that, but the user settings for this particular user is working. So if we were to make a change, we've got Family Browser UI, Classic, Card View, Classic, Minimal, and Card View Minimal. So the Minimal takes away all the tabs, and you rely on searching. And a card view is, well, we'll have a look at the card view, and we'll go close. Now if we go back to Revit, Revit contacts the server for push notifications, and in a few seconds you'll notice the browser changed. For a start, we're now into card view mode, and we've got a little notification up here. So if I click on the bell there, we're just getting a notification your user settings have changed. Now the only way to get out of this, but like the filters, is to click outside of it at this stage. You can delete some of these. I think if you delete the last one, you may get an error message. So there's still a lot of work to be done in this area on the notifications back in the Revit user interface. But now we've got card view, which is a different way of viewing the family browser. Some people like more information on this. Jury's still out for me. I don't particularly like that. It just takes up too much room, but never mind, it's there and available. If I go back to settings, we'll go to, say, card view minimal. I'll just show you what minimal means, which is, and it's done the change. We've got a notification there, no tabs at all. So if you were to use this type, you would have to rely on searching all the time, which there's some browsers out there that are exactly like that, no tabs. We put you'll get the favorites up there, still got that, but yeah, no tabs, rely on searching. I'm going to go back there, I'm going to change this. I'm going to go back to classic. We can change the icon size, right left tabs. We'll see how that looks. Close all those. There we go. Tabs are flipped around, and once again giving us a notification. I'll go back in there. I'm going to change this back to right hand tabs, close. The other one that is only, well, it's semi-working, it's a database manager. Now this is going to show you all the, if I pull this back into here, what would normally be shown. So this is going to show you all the families within the database, and this is where we're going to be able to delete families, remove them, set up alternative paths in the libraries. But there is a bug in here at the moment. It's only showing one line, which is extremely painful. But that will be easily fixed over the next day or so. So once again, I'll let you know with a notification what's happening there once that has been fixed. So that's the settings and notifications. Feedback on that would be fantastic. Cheers.